lovely to speak to you, Rakul and Bhujanji. How has it been actually for the two of you? And you've got a movie also ready in these times for us.
Actually, see, this film is very important to us. So we have obviously made it in the good times, but now we are more happy because it's coming on Netflix, and it's it will reach to the audience, and it's a very positivity. It will spread positivity, which we need the most today. This means this film will definitely will bring those good times, will portray those good times which we all are missing today. And I think with this film we will be able to portray that.
Wow, this is so beautiful. It's like a walk down memory lane, everyone's memories. And Rakul, a very cute picture of you and your dad. Do you remember when this picture was taken?
I don't remember, but I've seen this picture so many times, but I know what it is. So that's actually my first Holi that I played, where I'm all in color. And the first time he threw me in a pool when I don't think I was even two, I was 1.5 or something. So my parents had just thrown me in the pool at 1.5 years of age. So that's the first time I was in the swimming pool with floats on. So these are the pictures that it's so lovely to just go down the memory lane. And I just like to add, when Bhushan sir was saying that ours is a family film, and now's the time that we need warmth, and we need some positivity. And I think through the last year, all of us have somehow come to realize the importance of family and the bond, and how it is important to just have the people you love around, because that really counts the most, more than anything materialistic in the world. And I feel that we're happy that we've come with a film which sort of celebrates these bonds, which will make you sort of sit back for 2 minutes and just hug your family members, and thank and be in gratitude for their existence.
True. And Bhushan sir, what is that one memory that comes to mind that I mean, since we're talking about family film, any favorite memory of yours?
See, I still remember, I was very crazy to drive cars at a very young age. So,
Typical boy.
yeah, so I was, I think, 12 years. Yeah, 12 years. So 12 years. And, and nobody used to give me the key of the car. That time, Maruti 800 was there. And I still remember my grandfather, he used to give me the key, and ke chal jaake, cushion rakh ke chala le tu ye kar le, all those things.
Wow.
So that's a very great memory. And then my father, my mother, everybody used to tell my grandfather कि आप इसको बिगाड़ रहे हो. He's underage, how he can drive the car and all these things. So it's a very interesting I have with my grandparents. And my grandfather and my grandmother both used to love me and help me in these of my things, which typically you do at that young age. So very cute, and many memories are there. So
Rakul, also I see you posting a lot of pictures with your brother, with your family, but now, she is the Rakul Singh, I mean, from that little child, she's now someone who's on every billboard. You put on your TV screens, there is Rakul in some film or the other. What is it like now with the family dealing with the star Rakul? Or are you still treated the way you were when you were just Rakul?
No, I'm still just Rakul. And I think that's very, very important. And I'm so grateful that my parents don't take my profession very seriously. I mean, they take what I do very seriously, but just the fact that everything else that comes along with it way too seriously. So I'm still that. I remember having this conversation with you once, that I'm still that girl who would, out of respect, not fear, but out of respect, want to do everything very correctly, because I know that even today I have that fear of my dad's eyes, if I've done something wrong, and he'll just look at me, and I'm still that little girl who'll be scared, but out of respect. And he can still say that, okay, pack your bags and get back home if I go, and I would, So I think the fact that they are very normal with me, and nothing really has changed or should change, is the fact that I also don't take everything else very seriously. I take my job seriously, but not what comes along with it. So it's just gratitude, and that's about it. And I think that's how it should be. Ours is also like any other job. A 9 to 5, hours could be a 9 to 9 or a 24-hour job, but we're also in a profession, and that should be a pack up after you say pack up. And that's how it is at home as well.
I want to ask Rakul, aankh last time kab dikhai thi dad ne? Recently.
Arey, wo hota rehta hai. If I say, don't argue, learn to listen. So I'm like, okay, yeah, be a good listener. I'm like, okay, I'm listening. So that keeps happening. And I think that's the beauty of it, right? We'll always be our parents' kids.
Yeah, kahani ghar ki. Chalo, I'm waiting for my surprise. In these times, we all want good content and surprises.
I really hope you like the surprise.
So I will.
घर को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाना मुश्किल है, पर नामुमकिन नहीं है। और इसे हम टेक्निकल टर्म्स में ना स्ट्रक्चरल रीलोकेशन कहते हैं। तो घर को वहां से लेके आना है जैसे
गांव से घी का डब्बा शहर ले आना।
बिल्कुल सर। ओहो, यकीन नहीं हो रहा जी आपको?
स्टार्टिंग से नहीं लगा।
आप दुनिया की छोड़ो, हमारे पंजाब चलो। पंजाबियों का बस चले तो हम तौलिया जाके भी चांद पे सुखा दें। एक घर उठा के लाना कौन सी बड़ी बात है जी?
उसको बोलना फोन करके।
तू मेरे को लाहौर ले चल।
बोलो तुमने पुरुष से सुनाया नहीं, शुरू से नहीं दिखा मुझे लगा।
चैंपियन बना दूंगी तुझे।
ओ यार, ऐसा है क्या लाहौर में?
मेरा एक घर है।
एक कार हमारे प्यार की निशानी है गुरशेर सिंह जी।
उस घर की दीवारों में बड़ी यादें दफन है। बड़े प्यार से सजाया था मैंने अपना घर, जैसा तुम दोनों ने सजाया था, जेंटली।
You want to be my partner?
Cheers.
सरदार ने ना प्रॉमिस किया है, चैंपियन साइकिल्स का CEO बनाएंगे मुझे।
अरे पर सरदार ने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया कि मुझे CEO बनाएंगी।
मेरी केयर किया करो, कहीं खुश होके वसीयत में नाम डाल दिया ना मैंने।
ओह, किस का नाम डालोगे आप अपनी वसीयत में?
रोड ट्रिप पक्की, अमृतसर टू लाहौर।
सच्ची? तू ले जाएगा मेरे को?
तेरी ये कभी भी पूरी करके रहूंगा सरदार।
जी मैं कुरैशी बोल रहा हूँ पाकिस्तान हाई कमीशन से। हाई कमीशन ने उनका एप्लीकेशन खारिज किया है।
एक चीज मांगी थी मैंने, मेरे को लाहौर ले चलो, कि किसी को कोई परवाह नहीं है।
सर बड़ी उम्मीद लेके आया हूँ, एक बार कोशिश कीजिए ना सर, प्लीज।
ये परमिशन तो नहीं मिलेगी।
सरदार लाहौर के घर नहीं जा सकती, पर लाहौर का घर सरदार के पास जरूर आ सकता है।
यहाँ तो खुद लोगों का आना जाना मुश्किल से हो रहा है, और उसको पूरा घर उठाकर लाना है।
आइडियो पे भरोसा करने वाला कोई ना हो तो आइंस्टाइन का भी बेड़ा गर्क हो जाए।
तेरा मतलब है आइंस्टाइन पैदा किया है हमने?
अब होम कमिंग नहीं, होम इज कमिंग।
क्या चल रहा है?
कुछ नहीं, वो दिखा रहा था YouTube पे नेटफ्लिक्स।
And the beauty of it is what I can see is you can watch it with the entire family.
Yeah.
That is so important now.
Yes.
This is not a whole trailer. You will see it at 4 o'clock. This was just a surprise for
picture
you.
abhi baki hai, but
Ji.
it's awesome. Thank you so much, because Anuja Chauhan told me she'd written it. And then it was the best kept secret that you all had kept, and then we were told by Netflix. And what was the main one thing, Bhushan, sir, that made you say that I have to associate with this?
See, it's the concept. The concept is about unity, and it's about love, family, and everything. And we at T Series want to associate with these kind of films. So that was the main thing, it's coming in the right time when the entire world need that kind of positivity and unity to fight this thing which is happening. So we are very lucky that we are able to give a family entertainer to the audience in these difficult times.
And Rakul, you also as an actor, I know you are very particular about the kind of roles you want to do, the characters you want to play. What is that one hook that makes you say yes?
There's always a mix and match, Pooja. Sometimes, you really like your character. Sometimes you want to work with a maker. Sometimes you want to work with a certain actor. So it's never just one thing. I think it's a combination of multiple things. But in this film, I think for me, the biggest point of saying yes was that both my grandparents are actually from Pakistan, on both sides of the family, my mom and my dad's. And they came during partition, and I've heard a lot of their stories. And the way you saw that she says mujhe Lahore le chalo, my dadu used to always say that he wanted to visit, but unfortunately because of my dad being in the defense, we could not take him, and that was a wish that we couldn't. So for me it was a very I thought that this whole idea of just the bond with grandparents is beautiful, and I'd like to be associated with it.
Awesome. I totally relate with what you just said. And anyways, all the very best, both of you. Thank you for bringing us great content. And looking forward to interacting with you more now. Anyways, be safe, be healthy. Thank you.
You too. Take care. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Give lots of love to your mom. Bye.
I will. You take care too, both of you. Thank you. Bye.